Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $7,000, Charleston, South Carolina. This 1973 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is a solid example of a vintage American touring machine that blends originality with period-correct modifications. With matching VIN numbers across the frame, engine, and title, it carries strong collector appeal while still being a usable rider. The bike features a classic 4-speed ratchet-top transmission and a mix of components from a 1969 Shovelhead, including drum brakes and bodywork, giving it a unique hybrid character that stands out from stock builds. Mechanically, the bike runs strong and starts easily with electric start, while still offering the traditional kickstart experience. It has been upgraded with an S&S Super E carburetor and Dyna S ignition for improved reliability, along with simplified wiring. While it could benefit from a basic tune-up and brake adjustment for longer rides, it comes with valuable extras, including additional wheel sets, pipes, and vintage-style components, making it an appealing package for both riders and collectors looking for a customizable classic. Number 2. 1968 Triumph Tiger, $3,599, Jacksonville, Florida. This 1968 Triumph Tiger represents one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the late 1960s, known for its lightweight feel and responsive twin-cylinder performance. Finished in a clean black exterior, this example has undergone a full engine rebuild, ensuring it runs smoothly and reliably, an important factor for vintage British bikes of this era. It's a strong candidate for someone looking to jump into classic ownership without immediately facing major mechanical work. The bike is described as being in excellent overall condition, with brand new tires installed and careful maintenance throughout its life. Its clean presentation and ready-to-ride status make it ideal for weekend cruising or vintage bike events. With its relatively affordable price point, this Triumph offers a great balance between classic styling, usability, and entry-level collectability in the vintage motorcycle market. Number 3. 1974 Norton Commando 850, $6,950, Simpsonville, South Carolina. The 1974 Norton Commando 850 stands as one of the most respected British superbikes of its era, famous for its performance and innovative isolastic frame system. This particular example runs excellent and has received important maintenance updates, including new front and rear isolastics and swing arm bushings, which significantly improve ride quality and reduce vibration, one of the defining features of the Commando platform. In addition to its mechanical soundness, the bike features matching numbers and updated cosmetic components, such as a new tank and side covers, keeping it visually sharp while maintaining its classic identity. With everything functioning properly and strong running condition reported, this Commando presents itself as a well-rounded vintage machine that delivers both riding enjoyment and long-term collector value at a competitive price. Number 4. 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star, $1,800, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1967 BSA 441 Shooting Star offers an affordable entry into classic British single-cylinder motorcycles, known for their simplicity and distinctive character. Despite needing some finishing work, specifically a wiring harness and key, the bike appears to be in solid overall condition, with a fiberglass tank, good seat, and well-preserved wheels and tires. It also turns over well, suggesting a good foundation for restoration or light recommissioning. Priced attractively, this BSA is ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on projects or are looking to build a vintage bike on a budget. With a title in hand and most major components intact, it represents a straightforward project that could be brought back to life without excessive cost. For collectors or hobbyists, this is the kind of classic that offers both learning experience and long-term satisfaction. Number 5. 1972 Honda CB750 K2, $3,500, Canton, Georgia. The 1972 Honda CB750 K2 is widely regarded as one of the most important motorcycles ever produced, often credited with starting the superbike era. This particular example has been transformed into a cafe-style resto mod, combining classic design with modern reliability upgrades. With only around 600 miles since a full off-frame restoration, the bike presents itself as a fresh build ready for regular use. The restoration included a complete engine rebuild, upgraded electronic ignition, and fully refurbished components such as wheels, fuel tank, and carburetors. The addition of a Kirker 4x1 exhaust enhances both performance and sound, giving it a more aggressive character. With its combination of historical significance, updated mechanics, and stylish cafe aesthetics, this CB750 is a strong value for riders seeking a dependable yet iconic vintage motorcycle.
Number 6. 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,000, Oxford, Alabama. This 1978 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 Ironhead stands out as an affordable entry into classic Harley ownership, especially with its 75th anniversary edition details. The bike retains original components, such as the wheels, forks, and anniversary plate, preserving its historical identity, while also benefiting from several recent updates. With new handlebars, ignition components, points, flyweights, and a fresh battery, it has already received some essential maintenance to keep it running and rideable. Mechanically, the bike runs and drives, making it a great candidate for a budget-friendly project or a simple rider with a bit of finishing work. It still needs a seat and a front foot peg, but those are relatively minor fixes compared to major engine work. With its low price point and classic Ironhead character, this Sportster offers strong value for enthusiasts looking to enter the vintage Harley scene or build a personalized old-school machine.
Number 7. 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan, $5,000, Crawfordville, Florida. The 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan is a legendary two-stroke twin known for its smooth power delivery and distinctive exhaust note, and this custom cafe racer build takes that character to another level. Featuring a clean white finish and several handcrafted elements, this bike has been thoughtfully modified with custom expansion chambers, a handmade seat, and a custom rear cowl that neatly hides electrical components, giving it a sleek and minimalistic cafe aesthetic. Performance-wise, the oil-injected two-stroke engine delivers a lively riding experience, while the custom exhaust system enhances both sound and throttle response. This Titan is described as a true head-turner, making it perfect for riders who appreciate unique builds that stand out at shows or on the road. Whether kept as a custom display piece or enjoyed as a weekend rider, it offers a compelling blend of vintage engineering and modern custom craftsmanship.
Number 8. 1977 Triumph Bonneville T140V, $5,000, The Villages, Florida. This 1977 Triumph Bonneville T140V is a well-preserved survivor with a strong ownership history, having been kept by its original owner for over 4 decades. With matching numbers and relatively low mileage at just under 9,000 miles, it represents a rare opportunity to own an unmodified example of one of Triumph's most iconic models. The bike has recently undergone important maintenance, including carburetor replacement, fluid refresh, and a full tune-up. The result is a classic British twin that runs smoothly while maintaining its original character and charm. Its clean condition and documented history make it appealing to both collectors and riders who value authenticity. With a clear title and minimal modifications, this Bonneville is a great example of a vintage motorcycle that has been carefully preserved rather than heavily altered, making it increasingly desirable in today's market.
Number 9.
1977 Yamaha XS 650, $4,500, Atlanta, Georgia. The 1977 Yamaha XS 650 is widely regarded as one of the most reliable and versatile vintage motorcycles ever produced, and this example highlights exactly why. Finished in a rich burgundy paint, it is both cosmetically clean and mechanically sound, with recent maintenance including a new battery, fresh oil change, and a full tune-up. With just over 12,000 miles, it remains a low-mileage example for its age. Known for its 360-degree parallel twin engine, the XS 650 delivers a distinctive exhaust note and smooth, usable power that makes it enjoyable for everyday riding. Everything on the bike is reported to be in working order, including the electric start and electrical systems, making it a practical classic you can ride regularly. This combination of reliability, style, and ease of ownership makes the XS 650 a favorite among both new and experienced vintage motorcycle enthusiasts.
Number 10. 1989 BMW K100, $8,500, Fernandina Beach, Florida. This 1989 BMW K100 Cafe Racer build takes a well-known and reliable platform and transforms it into a modern classic with a clean, purposeful design. Powered by BMW's iconic flying brick inline-4 engine, the K100 is known for its durability and smooth performance, making it an excellent base for custom builds. This particular example has been fully restored and carefully reimagined rather than rushed, resulting in a cohesive and refined final product. The build maintains the integrity of the original engineering while enhancing the visual appeal with cafe-style elements, giving it a timeless yet contemporary look. With a clean title and relatively low mileage, it offers both reliability and uniqueness in one package. For riders seeking a custom motorcycle that blends German engineering with modern aesthetics, this K100 stands out as a well-executed and ready-to-enjoy machine. Number 11. 1972 Yamaha DT250, $4,500, Yalaha, Florida. This 1972 Yamaha DT250 is a clean and well-preserved example of one of the most iconic early dual-sport motorcycles from the 1970s. With just 4,766 miles on the odometer, it stands out as a low-mileage survivor that has clearly been well cared for over the years. Powered by a 246cc air-cooled two-stroke single-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, the DT250 delivers a lightweight and responsive riding experience that defined Yamaha's early enduro lineup. The bike runs great and features several tasteful updates, including newer knobby tires, a fresh chain and sprockets, and a new seat cover, all while maintaining its classic appearance. Its oil injection system adds convenience compared to premix setups, making it easier to live with as a vintage rider. With a clean title and strong overall condition, this DT250 is a fantastic option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a reliable and highly recognizable vintage enduro. Number 12. 1969 Vespa Sprint, $4,200, Greensboro, North Carolina. This 1969 Vespa Sprint blends classic Italian styling with a series of thoughtful performance upgrades, making it both visually appealing and mechanically enhanced. Finished in original brown paint, this imported model retains its vintage charm while benefiting from a P200 engine swap, providing improved power and usability compared to the original setup. With over 48,000 kilometers on the odometer, it reflects a well-used but well-maintained history. The scooter has been upgraded with performance components such as a rebuilt Del Orto carburetor, Penasco flywheel, BGM suspension parts, and a big bore exhaust, all contributing to a more responsive and enjoyable ride. Additional details like the refreshed seat and reinforced frame elements further improve durability and comfort. With a clean title and current registration, this Vespa offers a unique mix of originality and performance for riders who appreciate classic European scooters with modern touches. Number 13. 1978 Suzuki GS750, $3,250, Greensboro, North Carolina. The 1978 Suzuki GS750 is widely respected as one of the most reliable and well-balanced inline-four motorcycles of its era, and this example highlights those strengths perfectly. With just 10,700 miles, it remains a relatively low-mileage unit that has been kept largely original, preserving its classic look and mechanical integrity. The burgundy finish complements its vintage styling, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. Mechanically, the bike runs and idles smoothly, indicating proper maintenance and care throughout its life. A brand new AGM battery has recently been installed, ensuring dependable starting and electrical performance. With its combination of originality, solid running condition, and increasing rarity in this state, this GS750 represents a great opportunity for riders seeking a dependable vintage four-cylinder motorcycle that can still be enjoyed on modern roads.
Number 14. 1969 Kawasaki F3 Bushwacker 175, $1,900, Atlanta, Georgia. This 1969 Kawasaki F3 Bushwacker is a rare and compact vintage two-stroke trail bike that offers both charm and practicality. Powered by a 175cc engine, it provides a lightweight and approachable riding experience, making it ideal for casual riding or vintage off-road events. Despite its age, the bike runs well and retains unique features such as electric start, which was relatively uncommon for smaller bikes of that era. While it does show some cosmetic wear, including minor rust and pitting, it remains fully functional, with working lights and brake systems. Recent maintenance includes a new throttle cable and petcock, helping keep it in running condition. With original keys and a generally complete setup, this Bushwacker is a rare find that offers both collectability and usability at a very accessible price point.
Number 15. 1972 Honda CL175 Scrambler, $1,500, Matthews, North Carolina. This 1972 Honda CL175 Scrambler is a simple and dependable vintage motorcycle that represents Honda's reputation for reliability and ease of use. Featuring a twin-cylinder engine and classic Scrambler styling, it offers a smooth and manageable riding experience that appeals to both beginners and experienced riders alike. The red exterior gives it a classic look that fits perfectly with its era. The bike runs and drives well, making it a ready-to-enjoy option for those looking to get into vintage motorcycling without major restoration work. Recent updates include new tires, a new battery, and a replacement petcock, ensuring it remains functional and road-ready. With a clear title and a firm price, this CL175 stands out as one of the most affordable and accessible classic motorcycles on the list, ideal for everyday riding or light restoration projects.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle deals across the USA.